Hello friend, this is your statistics video. In our earlier lecture, we have seen one question of exercise 5.1 of skewness. Today's question number 2. The following distribution shows purchase of t-shirt by 270 customer, means n equal to 270. According to the shoulder length in inches, find Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness from these data and interpret it. Shoulder length of shirts in inches: 12, 12.5, 13, 13.5, 14, 14.5, 15, 15.5 and 16. Number of customer, this indicate N, F, and this is X. 5, 20, 30, 47, 56, again 56, 37, 16 and 3. Listen students, in this question the maximum frequency repeated twice. The maximum frequency repeated twice means this is multimodal distribution, not a monomodal, multimodal distribution. So in this question we have find skewness according to median formula, not by mode, because in a unimodal distribution we have used mode, but this is a multimodal distribution, so we can't use mode, we used median. Okay students, in this multimodal distribution we have used this question to find skewness Sk, and for J this formula 3 in bracket x bar minus m median, 3 in bracket x bar minus m S. Okay students, let's start the question. Total n is 270. First of all we will find d equal to x minus a. A denotes assumed and we take a is 14. Okay, so 12 minus 14 minus 2, 12.5 minus 14 minus 1.5, 13 minus 14 minus 1, 13.5 minus 14 0.5, 14.5 minus 14 0.5 in plus 1, 1.5 and 2. This is D. Now F multiply D. 5 2 ja 10 minus 10, 20 into 1.5, 30, 20 into 1.5, 30 in minus 30, 30 into minus 1 minus 30, 47 into 0.5, 47 into 0.5, 23.50, 56 into 0.5, 28, 28, 37 into 1, 37, 16 into 1.5, 24, and 3 into 2, 6. Okay, next FD square means FD multiply with D. FD multiply with D gives FD square. 10 2 ja 20 minus minus plus 30 into 1.5, 45, 31 ja 30, 23.5 into 0.5, 11.75, 23.5 into 0.5, 11.75, 0, 28.0.5, 14, 37, 24.1.5, 36, and 6 2 ja 12. This is a new column of CF cumulative frequency because we have to find median. 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 30, 55, 55 plus 47, 102, 102 and 56, 158, 158 plus 56, 214 plus 37, 251 plus 16, 267 and 3, 270. Next we have add the column of FD and FD square. In minus 10 plus 30 plus 30 plus 23.5 in minus 93.5 in plus 28 plus 37 plus 24 plus 6 95 means in plus 0.5 sigma FD equal to plus 0.5. Now FD square 20 45 30 11.75 14 37 36 and 12 205.75. okay, first of all we will find x bar equal to a plus sigma FD upon n. A is 14, sigma FD 0.5 and 270. 0.5 divided by 270. 14.00. So the answer is 14.01. We have taken 14.01. Next, M. Being this is a group data but discrete frequency, so we use this formula n plus 1 divided by 2 observation, n plus 1 divided by 2 observation. N is equal to 270 plus 1 divided by 2 observation equal to 271 divided by 2 135.5. 271 divided by 2 135.5 observation. You can see 135 observation comes in this cumulative frequency because 102, then 103 up to 158 इसमें है, so answer is 14. M equal to 14 because this is a discrete frequency. Next step, S. Sigma FD upon n, sigma FD square upon n minus sigma FD upon n whole square. Sigma FD square 205.75. 205.75 upon n 270 minus sigma FD 0.5. 0.5 upon 270 whole square. 205.75 divided by 270 0.76 minus 0.5 divided by 270 0.01. 0.01 into 0.01 0.0001, then minus it 0.76 minus 0.001 0.7599 0. After find out root, इसका रूट निकाल लेंगे, so answer is 0.87. In all answer we add unit inches. Next, in this question we have to find only coefficient of observation, so no need to find s, only we will find, okay, we will find s equal to 3 x bar minus m. 3 x bar is 14.01 minus m is 14. So 3 14.01 minus 14, answer is 0.01. Multiply with 3, 0.03 inches is the answer of S. Now we will find J. 3 x bar minus m upon S. 3 x bar minus m, 14.01 minus 14 upon S is 0.87. 3 x bar minus m is 0.003, so we will put here 0.003 upon 0.87. The answer is 0.03. We will not put any unit here because J is a relative measure. J is a relative measure. A relative measure is free from measurement. Okay? Understood, student? You will practice this question, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can call me. Okay, students?